James and Jennifer Crumbley have been ordered to stand trial on charges of involuntary manslaughter.
That decision comes after a day of testimony, including from the school counselor who confronted the suspected shooter about those troubling drawings. Defender Shawn Lay. Following today's hearing, Shawn, he went step by step through what happened that day.
And that was excruciating to the Oxford families, many of them of the victims here today, having to listen to new information revealed by the school counselor, bringing up new questions if he and others did enough to stop the shooting. Also, the judge just making that decision to move this case to trial, calling Ethan Crumbley a danger and his parents not doing enough to stop that danger. The parents of Tate Myre hearing for the first time from Oxford High School counselor Shawn Hopkins, taking all of us inside that meeting just hours before the shooting.
I asked him if he was a threat to himself or others.
Hopkins had Ethan Crumbley in his office. He had Crumbley's violent drawings and words, "My life is useless," the gun right in Ethan's backpack. And Crumbley's parents, James and Jennifer, then arrived.
What happened when they walked in the room?
It was different than other meetings I've seen.
Why is that?
They weren't friendly or showing care to their student.
To their son?
To their son.
Did they greet him?
No.
Did they touch him?
No.
Did they hug him?
No.
Hopkins says his risk assessment of Ethan told him that Ethan was suicidal. He told the parents that they needed to get their son professional help immediately.
I am concerned that he needs somebody to talk to for mental health support.
And what was the response?
That today was not an option because they had to return to work. I then wrote Ethan a pass back to class. I thought it was a really rough situation to be showing signs of needing help, of needing support, and it felt like he got the opposite.
Back here live, the Crumbley parents now will face a trial and a jury on 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter. Their attorneys argued right before we wrapped up here today that they wanted a lower bond for Mr. and Mrs. Crumbley. The judge absolutely denied that. Also, we just spoke with the father of Tate Myre. He listened to all of this today. Extremely difficult, as you could imagine. Tonight at 6, we'll bring you his comments. He is saying that Oxford Schools needs to apologize to him and the Oxford families. We're live tonight in Rochester. Shawn Lay, Local 4, back to you.